Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a battery in a Dodge Journey. Before you begin, gather your tools like wrenches and a battery terminal cleaner. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. For your safety, remember to wear protective glasses and gloves throughout the process. These precautions are crucial for a smooth and safe battery change. Now let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate the battery, which is usually under the hood of your Dodge Journey. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, typically marked with a minus sign, then proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. Finally, remove any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. This ensures the battery is completely free. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Before placing it, clean the battery tray and the new battery terminals thoroughly to prevent corrosion. Carefully place the new battery securely into the clean tray. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. This order is important for proper electrical connection and safety. For the final steps, ensure all connections are tightened firmly, but be careful not to over-tighten them. Applying a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to the terminals will help prevent future issues. Once everything is secure, start your vehicle to confirm that the new battery is functioning correctly. You've successfully replaced your Dodge Journey's battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.